lot of our students, their day starts with a hello from the bus driver. Our bus drivers are ready to safely transfer students to and from school every day. As families prepare for returning in person, we ask that they will talk with their student about how to safely ride the bus and check out the bus safety rules on our website. Students will be assigned a seat on buses to ensure social distancing, including 6 feet of distance from the bus driver and bus aid if one is on the bus. The number of students on a bus will be continually monitored so we can create as much space as possible between student riders. Drivers, bus aides, and all students will wear a face covering during the entire ride. All school buses and any other smaller vehicles used to transfer students will be fully disinfected daily, and high-touch areas such as handrails will be disinfected between school routes. Families are encouraged to download and use the Here Comes the Bus app to track your student bus. Check out the transportation website to download the app, which is available in English, Spanish, and French. Check out Phase 5 website for more information or reach out to your school.